Guys, as I came in, look at what they did to my house. They broke into my house. They took everything. Look at what they did. They took everything out of my thing. Look at here in my daughter's room. They took all the computers. There was a computer there. They took everything, brother. They were searching everything, these people, right? Look here. On this side here, they took my daughter's computer here that was here. Everything's upside down. And look at the office. At the office, you see what they did? At the office, they took everything. But unfortunately, they left the DVR. The DVR is still there for the cameras. And my Wi-Fi is on. My internet was gone also, but I found it downstairs. Right? Look at what they did to my room. They took everything, bruh. They searched. They took the clothes, everything, bruh. They took the meat. Hey, bruh. Look at my room. Look at what they took my watches, my very good, beautiful watches. They took it, bruh. My big TV that was here, they took it. They left the Explorer, right? Everything is taken. And there was a Galaxy View that I had here. Is gone as well. There's so many things they took, bruh. Lot of things. They took the TV here as well. The TV that is here, right? They destroyed everything, bruh. They destroyed everything. Downstairs, I'll quickly run downstairs so I can show you how things are downstairs. So you can see what happened. Downstairs, look at what they did. Look at what they did. Look, everything. They broke into that window there. That window there is broken. It's broken. The big window, I think that maybe they were